Okay, now action.
I'm Spencer the cop, Mr. Sanchez.
I'm Matt the cop, Mr. Phillips.
I'm John, and I'm Bob.
I'm Zach, and I'm for Shizzle Magnificent Columbus, all the Hizzle the Gangster, and this is my buddy.
I'm Anton and I'm Sally. I call the police.
Does she have a mustache? Yep.
Mr. Phillips, you want to go get some coffee at the coffee shop?
Okay, what?
Let's go get some coffee at the coffee shop.
Okay.
All right.
Yo, bro, my name is for Shizzle Magnificent Columbus, all the Hizzle.
Yo, my name is Bob. And I got better tattoos than you.
Well, I got better tattoos than you, and you're black, so they can't see me.
I got a paintball gun, yo.
Yo, well, I got fixed.
Hello?
Hello, police. Hello. People are beating up a person. Come arrest him.
All right,
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's roll, let's roll, YOLO, YOLO, YOLO,
all right,
Let's take him to jail.
let's give me a cop card.
Hey, you guys in jail.
You're in jail.
Yo, I'm sorry, bro, but I still got better tattoos than you.
It's okay, man. I know now.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. But hey, look, the door is wide open.
And there's my buddy.
let's
Let's
go.
go.
Hello, police. They're escaping again.
Stupid buddy. You're worthless.
Put him in jail again.
Oh,
Where's the bunny?
Sorry, man, but let's just wait until we get bailed out by Sally or someone like that.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Yeah.